So this is the first of our trig videos, and we are going to learn how to find missing pieces of right triangles using some really basic trigonometry. So when you learn really basic trigonometry, you learn SOHCAHTOA. And what SOHCAHTOA does is it helps you figure out which trig ratio you want, sine, cosine, or tangent, based on what you know about the triangle that you have. So in this triangle, this side that's across from the right angle is always the hypotenuse. So I'm going to put an H on it for the hypotenuse. This is the angle that they gave me, this 72 degrees. So this side that is opposite from the angle is O. And the side that's left over, the side that is attached to the angle, is adjacent, or A. All right, so in this question it says find the length of BC. All right, so BC is this side right here. All right, so I'm going to put an X. That's the side I want to find. So I need to make sure that this goes into my equation. And the only other side that I have information about is A, this side down here. So these are the two numbers I'm going to need to use in my equation, or the two sides I'm going to need to use in my equation. So I have an O and an A. Which one of these trig ratios uses O and A? Well, that's tangent. All right, so tangent is that the tangent of some angle is equal to O over A. So I can just plug the stuff from my picture into this formula. So I can say the tangent of, and my angle is 72 degrees. So 72 degrees is equal to, O in my problem is X, so X goes on top, and A in my problem is 30, so 30 goes on bottom. And now this is just a one-step equation. If I want to get X by itself, I would multiply by 30. Multiply by 30. So it makes that go away. So I'm left with X all by itself. And then in your calculator, you actually need to type in tangent of 72 and then close your parentheses. So tangent of 72, close your parentheses, and then times 30. And you would need to make sure that your calculator was in degree mode. And when you do, you find that X is 92.3. And that seems really big, but that is the correct answer. So that is what we would get for X.